doing? I thought I'm just going to start another vlog. I'm all dressed. I'm just waiting for my friends to come and pick me up. We're going for some girls' night, so we're going out for dinner with my girlies. So I'm really quite honestly excited. So this is what I'm wearing tonight. I'm all sort of rushy and everything, but this is what I'm wearing. It's just like a really nice outfit. I love this top. When I went to Czech Republic, that's when I bought this top. Probably I should go upstairs and I should show you in my mirror what I am putting on. I actually quite like my outfit that I have tonight. It's really nice. So let me take you guys upstairs quickly, because any moment from now, I think my doorbell is going to ring. Anyway, I could see my friend, because since I'm upstairs, I will see her when she comes. So hopefully I'll be quick. Let me just look through the window. There's nobody. Okay, let's crack on. So basically, so this is the outfit. Let me take this coat off a little bit so that you can see. Here we go. Whew. So this top honestly is so gorgeous. I think my friend is here. So gorgeous. And I'm just wearing this leather pant. Then I thought I'm just going to wear this high heel. Let me just clunk it on. But anyway, see the vibe. So I thought I'm just going to put this color on, and that is the outfit. I think it's honestly so cute. And let me quickly put my coat on. So that is the coat I thought I'm just going to wear. And I have this little brooch. Can you guys see? It's so cute, just for a little bit of statement. And that is the total look. So initially I was thinking of going with all black, but at the end I thought, you know what, I'll just put this coat on and this unexpected item basically, and just make the outfit more interesting. And you know what, I love it, and I'll take you guys along. So guys, oh my god, I just had a massage of almost an hour and a half. It's really nice. So yesterday was good. So today is Saturday and we chat free. So my husband and I, we booked a spa date for ourselves. It's really nice. So we had a massage treatment. Honestly, it's really good. And oh my god, those ladies were amazing. So we had a couple massage, really nicely done. So that session, I wish I could just be there. Like, I don't know, somebody just massaging me and sleep, wake up. I was dozing off. I was like, I'm so numb. You could tell from the way I am talking. So we're going to go to some jacuzzi. We have afternoon tea later. Then we're just going to chill out. We're going to just enjoy the afternoon before
going home. Yeah, so I will show you some things. Anyway, last night I went out with some of my friends for a nice dinner. That was amazing. It's really nice to hang out with friends, just go out and just laugh and catch
video you through it.